So guys,
let's make babies.
Bill wants to make babies. We're officially in Jamaica. We just checked in. Guys, I look horrible. I'm not even showing my face. We just checked in. We bought a ocean view room. Well, they said it's ocean view, but I'm hardly seeing it.
The bellhop said you gotta creep around the corner.
So this is our living area where we'll be for the next couple days. This is our bath. Babe, turn on the lights. Where are the lights at?
Walk past them, I think.
Are those the lights? Oh. Oh, there's one light. So that's the light. We have 2 balconies. So we could go out from here. Can we? I think so. No, we can't. Oh yeah, we can down there. We have a pool view. We have our fridge. They didn't give us no bears. Just water and drink. God. Bill says they're cheap asses. Bill, we're gonna have ourselves a nice little bubble. It's under there. I think these are for the floor. Guys, fun fact, I never use hotel towels. Bill and I are gonna have our bubble bath later. My shirt is all the way up. Ooh, we're gonna make our ooh. Bill having a shower. I'm having bubble baths all day. What did you see? I know you're gonna relax in that. Ooh. You wanna make a baby on it? Ooh. Guys, PG-13. Guys, don't Bill look like a little creep? He locked me out. Look how he did. He closed the door. Guys, look at our view. Last night was so dark. I didn't even show you guys. Like pool, the ocean. He's quite hungry. Last night we were laying there looking at the stars. We had breakfast here. This is our room in the daytime. I think we're gonna watch TV here. We had lunch there last night. Was it last night? Whatever. Our room, guys. Our room got messy, so they didn't give us our room like this, okay? On our bath, we're gonna get our little, you know. Let's go, babe. Why are you taking so long? Stop grabbing my ass. They saw that.
Why are you gonna leave the door open?